Oh, gee, look at this. Look at this mess. What's going on, y'all? This is Chris with Patch Boy Dart. And right now, I'm going to go ahead and spend some time and get my shelves organized because this is an absolute mess. So I went to Joanns and picked up some of these top-notch bins. They are the small ones. And what I'm planning on doing is potentially stacking two on the left and right side or right next to each other. So that way I can keep all of my vinyls and things better organized. And I might use one bin to keep my bubble mailers. So we're going to do a quick time lapse of getting this whole area reorganized, restructured, so that way our productivity can increase. Let's go.